Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Roborock Saros 10R and S8 MaxV Ultra robot vacuum. The Roborock Saros 10R costs about $1,599. It is very slim, just a little over 3 inches tall, which makes it easy to clean under low furniture. It uses the Star Sight autonomous system to map rooms and avoid obstacles, and it comes with a duo divide split main brush and a side brush with a flexiarm riser design that helps reduce hair tangling. The dock is multifunctional and can wash the mop pads in hot water, dry them, and even detach the mop so the vacuum can work without it. It also includes an Adaptilift chassis, which allows it to cross higher thresholds, such as doorsteps or rug edges, more smoothly. The battery lasts for about 3 hours in regular vacuuming mode, and it comes with sensors, cameras for obstacle detection, and voice assistant support. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a more advanced model and comes with very strong suction power, around 10,000 Pascal units, and twin rubber rollers that work well for picking up pet hair and reducing tangles. It has a Viberize mopping system that can lift the mop pad when carpets are detected, so carpets don't get wet while cleaning. Its dock is highly advanced, with tanks for clean and dirty water, hot mop washing, drying, auto dustbin emptying, and even refill and drain options. Navigation combines LiDAR with an AI camera that can recognize objects and avoid obstacles while mapping rooms efficiently. On hard floors like wood or tile, it cleans very thoroughly, and on carpets, it is also strong, though corners and edges may need an extra pass. If you have a lot of rugs or carpet at home, the S8 MaxV Ultra is more effective thanks to its twin rollers and mop lifting system. If you have low furniture or raised thresholds between rooms, the Saros 10R may be more suitable because of its thinner body and adaptable design. Both models reduce the need for hands-on maintenance, but the S8 MaxV Ultra dock offers more automatic features, making it the most convenient option for long-term use. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.